I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science! I bet the last time you drank milk you weren't thinking you were eating plastic, huh? But you kind of were. Today we're gonna make something super fun and super weird. Milk plastic. All you need to do is add a few ingredients together and then you can turn milk into plastic. Plastic! Here's what you need. Milk, duh. Vinegar.
Vinegar, don't touch your tooth.
It's wet! If you're feeling it, you're gonna regret it. Sorry for the interruption, but as you have noticed, I have just lost my tooth. And I totally freaked out. Anyway, here's what you need. Milk, vinegar, food coloring, a strainer, and help from an adult. Take 4 cups of milk into a pan. Use whatever colors you want. The more food coloring you put, the darker it will be. Once you have the color that you want, ask your adult to heat up the milk. It should not be boiling. Then add vinegar and stir it while it coagulates. That means it gets clumpy. The clumps are called curds. The clear liquid is called whey. Does that sound familiar to you? Now you pour the whole thing into a strainer and you collect all the curds. Take a paper towel and dry the curds out. Now it's time to make a sculpture, then post it in a museum, then get very rich and famous. You can literally make whatever you want. Once you make what you want, you leave it to dry out. This may take a while, but once you have it dried, you can paint it, put googly eyes on it, glitter, everyone's favorite. That's it, you made your own toy out of milk plastic. You've done a really good work. Now I think it's time to have a whipped cream break. Whipped cream, please. I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe.